Rainforest Cafe gift shop.
They are small people, rarely over 4 feet
Here's the
tall.
ride.
They live on different types of animals, but also collect fruit, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food. The women collect nuts, roots, and wild mushrooms.
Build-A-Bear